dream world of sweet delight. Many times I've whispered, amado mio. It was just a phrase that I've heard in place. I was acting a part. But now when I whisper, amado mio, can't you tell I care by the feeling there? 'Cause it comes from my heart. I want you.